Travis Lomkowski, worked for Troy Industrial Solutions. We're a family-owned company. We provide solutions in the electromechanical space as well as material handling. I'm the service center manager. I've been with the company a little less than 10 years. I got connected with Dynamic Conveyor through a Google search, actually. I was looking for sanitary conveyors for a food manufacturer of mine. And I found some of the material online, including the YouTube, and I was pretty impressed, so I reached out. The challenges I faced when I was looking for a sanitary design for a conveyor system was there's not a lot of places, especially in the Northeast where we're located, that provide solutions that are turnkey from design to installation. A lot of them are not very well suited for some of the standards that the food manufacturing standards set. And when I saw the DynaClean line, toolless disassembly, some of the cleaning capabilities, and after speaking with Dynamic Conveyor and their design team, it really helped solve a lot of problems. There's a lot of conveyors out there that can move product from A to B, but in a sanitary way, there's not a ton of people out there that can do that sort of thing. Yeah, I've noticed a drastic reduction of downtime for just regular maintenance, just because there's less that can break on a conveyor that's completely toolless as far as assembly and disassembly, as well as product loss. The way Dynamic designs their conveyors when they work with you and the end user, they really take that into account to minimize product loss. And then the third would be just overall cleanliness, the ability to take everything apart, clean it in a matter of minutes. It can more production time, less downtime. All that has been a huge upsell. So I've found in my experience working in the food and beverage industry that things are always changing, especially in growing companies that are scaling up. They are constantly moving things around, adding production lines, deciding that they want to divert in one area or the other, add new pieces of equipment. And Dynamic has worked with me to make their conveyors adaptable to these changes, adding custom solutions for transitions and chutes and hoppers, along with their conveyor line. They've been very good to work with. I would absolutely recommend Dynamic to anyone that's working with conveyors in the lighter weight material handling world, especially in the food and beverage with their DynaClean line. It's been great. They've been great to work with. The engineering team, the sales team, everybody has been very collaborative. They listen to your ideas. They're willing to make changes as needed, and their delivery has been great as well. And their end product, from what I can see, is really holding up well in the field. I think it's pretty timeless.